Hi everyone. So in this video we can see what are the top 3 use case of an ChatGPT. So number one use case, it is an you can get unlimited video ideas on any topic for YouTube. Okay. So let's example you have a YouTube channel and you want video ideas on artificial intelligence. Okay. So you can give a prompt like write and given some topics, video topics on artificial intelligence for YouTube. So this prompt will give you the video topics for any sort of channel. Okay. So if you have a artificial intelligence channel, so it can give you some video ideas for YouTube. Okay. So you can see that bigger, yeah, beginner friendly idea. Okay. So also AI and future trends. So it can give you unlimited video ideas. Okay. So this is also the best use case. I think this is the best use case for me and for every YouTuber. Okay. It will give you random, or it is like an 25 topics that ChatGPT give. So number two use case, it is to you get a solution of the complex coding problems. Okay. So you can also give a prompt like give me code for calculator in Python. So it can give you the code for calculator. Okay. So it is very fast. It is very fast. Okay. So you can get it. Yeah. So this is okay. So that's very awesome for everyone. So that's very awesome. Okay. So that's okay. So you can get complex coding problem solution also. This is the one use case. It is. And number three use case, you can get high quality articles for LinkedIn and for any blog channels. Okay. So you can give a prompt like write an article on benefits of artificial intelligence in 300 words. So it can give you high quality articles. So if you want to write an any article, so it get you around 1 to 2 hours, 1 day or 2 day. So it can give you in the seconds. So that's very awesome for every blogger. So these are the top 3 use cases of an chat GPT. So if you like this video, comment, share and subscribe. See you in the next video.